Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the iPhone 16 is just tipped for a major display upgrade. According to the latest news, Apple's most futuristic flagship iPhone 16 will get a more energy efficient OLED display from Samsung. Apple released its newest iPhone 15 lineup of smartphone less than 2 months ago, but is already working on its successors. Fresh details about the upcoming flagship iPhone 16 were shared by authoritative network informant Majin Bu and the resource the Elec. According to the available data, the reliable source the Elec reports that the iPhone 16 will use an updated OLED display that Samsung is developing specifically for Apple. Each component is produced by a specialist manufacturer and supplied to Samsung, which then uses them to create the final OLED screens. The Korean company is now focusing on replacing blue fluorescent materials, which can reduce overall power consumption of the OLED panel. Thanks to this, the screen in the iPhone 16 will consume less energy. On the other hand, Apple is testing a prototype iPhone 16 Pro without a dynamic island. The final decision will be made in March. According to the source, Apple is now testing a version of the iPhone 16 Pro, which instead of the dynamic island, uses a round cutout in the screen for the front camera, which is more familiar to smartphone users. Insider Majin Bu noted that this prototype may remain a prototype, and another version will appear on store shelves. The final decision will be made in March 2024. According to the sources, we will most likely see the version of the design no earlier than the iPhone 17. Majin Bu supplemented the publication with a render of the iPhone 16 Pro smartphone with such a cutout. Let's remember that the dynamic island debuted last year on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphones, and in 2023, it will be used on all 4 models of the iPhone 15 lineup. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to have larger display sizes. According to multiple sources, the iPhone 16 Pro will have a display that is 6.27 inches in size, rounded to 6.3, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to have a display that's 6.85 inches in size, rounded to 6.9 inches. Informant Majin Bu previously revealed exact data about the iPad mini, iPhone 12 colors, iPhone 15 defects and so on. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.